So very good morning to all of you children. So in today's session, we are going to learn how to rearrange the letters so as to make a meaningful word. Okay. So in the previous session, we have already learned how to learn the syllables, how to learn the spellings of one syllable word. Okay. So we have to sound out through its individual sound. Okay, so in today's session, let's learn about how to learn the spellings of more than one syllable word. So we have to syllabicate the words. We have to separate the words into syllables. Okay, so let's move on to it. I hope all of you, yes, all of you please have a look at it. Yes. So all of you please have a look at it, children. So in the previous session, we have learned certain words with one syllable. Okay. So I've told you how to identify the word, whether it has one syllable word or more than one syllable word. You have to just count how many vowels are there in that word. Okay, so accordingly, if it's a one syllable word, I told you that we have to sound out through its individual sound. Ba, ar, d. Some letters have combined sound. So accordingly, we have to sound out through its individual sound. But if it is more than one syllable, it is easier for us to learn the spelling. So here there is an example for you, river. So first of all, we have to identify how many vowels are there. So here in this word, there are two vowels. So how many syllables are there? There are two syllables. Is that clear to all of you? So let's give a rhythm to the word. So according to the syllables, we can give a rhythm to it. Re, wa. Okay, so how many claps did I? Re, wa. So there are two syllables in this word. So when we learn the spelling of this word, all of you please do write it. Take your rough book. Re, wa, we are. Re, wa. So it is river. Okay. So all of you please do take your rough book. Write this word into your rough book once. So this is the way we learn the spelling. Okay. So we'll be familiar with this word. All of you please do write it once. Let me see you all writing. I hope all of you have finished. Now let's move on to the second word. Have all of you finished, children, my dear children? Have you all of you finished? Yes? Just write it once.
Yes.
Okay. So let's move on to the second word. Okay. So are all of you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
So I hope all of you are ready. Now let's move on to the second word. Yes. So this word is, first of all, we have to identify how many vowels are there. How many vowels are there? Three vowels are there. That is O is a vowel, I is a vowel, A is a vowel. Okay. So three vowels are there. So how many syllables are there in this word? Three syllables. So we can three syllables. So how that we can show it to you? It is horse, P, tip. So how many syllables are there? Tell. Yes. All of you please do take your hands and clap. Horse, P, tip. So likewise, we are going to learn the spelling of the word. It is horse.
Two times, right?
Yes, write it once in your book. It is horse, P, till. Okay, so as you write it, children, you just sound out. Horse. Tell. Yes. No, you as you write each syllable, you sound at horse. So how do you write it? How do you write it? Yes, it is horse. H-O-S. Horse. P. I. P. L. E-L. But as we sound as a L, we sound it as hospital. Hospital. Okay. You wanted to know the spelling of the word hospital? I'll do that for you. Now, all of you, please do listen to the word. How is the word has been pronounced here?
Hospital.
Hospital. Hospital. Hospital. Hospital.
Got it? Hospital. Hospital. Okay, all of you, please do listen.
Hospital. Hospital. Hospital.
Hospital. Okay, so I hope all of you have finished. Now let's move on to the next word.
Mine finished.
Yes. Now let's move on to the next word. Yes.
Village.
Village. Very good. So how many vowel letters are there in this word? There are, yes, unnecessary talking. How many vowels are there? There are 3 vowels. Okay. How many vowels are there? There are 3 vowels. 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 syllables in it. So we, la, j. So all of you, please do write it. We, la, j. Village. Village. So the word, the actual pronunciation of the word I'll show you. Village. So that is the way this word has to be pronounced. I wanted all of you to write the word once in your rough book. So all of you, please do listen to the word, how that word has to be pronounced.
Village. Village. Village.
Village. Village. Village. Okay, so you got its pronunciation and also the spelling. How to learn the spelling of the word. If you separate the word into syllable, it is very easier for us to learn the spelling. Okay. All of you, please do write the word into your rough book. Yes. Now let's move on to the next word. What is this word is, children? What is this word is? What is this word is? Kitchen. Okay, kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. That is a way to pronounce. Yes, it is kitchen. Okay. So, how many vowels are there in this word? How many vowels are there in this word? How many vowels are there in this word, my dear children? 2 vowels. Yes, 2 vowels. So how many syllables are there? So it has 2 vowels. So it has 2 syllables. It is a 2-syllable word. Okay, so let's write it. Kitchen. Yes, please do write it. So children, simply if you write it is not going to make any use for you. So I've told you, it is more than 1 syllable word. So you have to sound out through its syllables. So how is that you're going to do it? It is, yes? So all of you, please do listen. It is kitchen. So it is K-I-T, it is kitchen. So you syllabicate the word kit as you write the spelling kit. Then chin, C-H-E-N, chin. So when we pronounce it as a whole, the word is kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Okay, so the T is not stressed much. It is, but when you write it, don't forget to write the letter T. Okay, all of you please do write it once more. Kit, chin, C-H-E-N. So it is a two-syllable word. And write it kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Yes, yes, my dear.
Ma'am, can I drink some water?
Yes, yes, of course, please.
Kitchen. Ma'am, I finished. Kitchen.
Yes, kitchen, 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 kitchen.
Kitchen. Kitchen.
Yes, kitchen.
Kitchen. Kitchen. Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Kitchen. Kitchen.
All of you listen to the word.
Kitchen. 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 Kitchen.
Okay, got the word? It is kitchen, kitchen, kitchen.
Ma'am,
Now
I
let's-
don't hear. Ma'am, I don't hear.
Why will happen?
Kitchen.
Ma'am,
Okay.
some voices are disturbing, so I don't hear.
Okay, okay. So let me mute you all. Then see that whether you could hear it or what.
Kitchen. Kitchen. Kitchen.
Now you got it? Now you got it? Yes. Yes, all of you?
Yes.
Okay then. Now let's move on to the next word. Okay. So first let us identify this word. Okay, are you all ready? Now we are moving on to the next word. That is, now we are moving on to the next word. That is, it is daughter. Daughter.
Daughter.
So how many vowels are there in this word? Even though, yes, as these two vowels are considered as one, I told you, very good.
Three
children.
vowels.
Yes, even though there are three vowels, my dear children, I told you two vowels are together. So it is one and here. So we can separate these words into two syllable, as it is a two syllable word. So it is daughter, daughter. Now if you take your pencil and write daw, D-A-U-G-H, daw, T-E-R, daughter. So when we write it together, see it is daughter, T-R, daughter. So all of you please do write it.
G.
Daughter. Yes, it is daughter. It is not doctor, not C sound, not K sound it is. It is daw, 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 ta. Yes, okay, daughter, daughter, daughter.
Doctor.
No, no, no. Yes, pronunciation is different. It is not K sound. It is daw.
Doctor. Doctor.
Okay, daw, ta.
Doctor.
That's all. Okay, yes, daughter.
Doctor.
So I hope all of you have finished it. Now let's move on to the next word. Yes, my dear. Yes, now let's move on to the next word. Okay, here is the next word for you. What is this word is? What is this word is?
Bedroom.
Bedroom. Bedroom. Bedroom. I'll tell you the spelling. So let's learn the spelling. Yes, the pronunciation even. So, how many, first let us identify this word. This word has how many vowels in it, children? How many vowels are there in this word? How many vowels are there in this word? Come on, tell me.
3
These two vowels are together. So, yes, two vowels are there. Yes, okay, there are three vowels, but I told you these two O's are together. So, how many syllables are there? Accordingly, we can. Yes, it is a two-syllable word. So, let's move on to its pronunciation too. Okay, want to know the spelling of this word?
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
ma'am,
Yes.
please share the third one.
Third one you wanted. Butter. Is this one? Have you finished?
Ma'am,
Is
third
this
one.
the word you wanted? Have you finished with the previous one?
Please share the third one.
Yes, kitchen. Have you finished, kitchen? So we have finished with river, library, hospital, kitchen, village.
Yes,
Yes, all these words we have finished. Now
I
we are
have
moving
some
on.
net problem, that's why.
It's okay. So it is daughter. Okay, we are now in the word daughter. Yes. Daughter, we have finished. Now let's move on to the next word. It is bedroom. Now all of you please do listen, children. Yes, it's okay. Wait. So all of you please see, you pronounce this word. Now let us see how the word has to be actually pronounced. We all pronounce it.
Bedroom.
Bedroom, bedroom, bedroom.
Bedroom. Bedroom.
Okay, I'm going to mute you all so that you could hear the word properly.
Bedroom. Bedroom. Bedroom.
Okay, got it? Bedroom. So here it is a two-syllable word. So when we write, all of you please do take your pencils in your hand and write this word. Yes, now we are moving on to the spelling of the word. All of you please do take your pencil. Bed, B-E-D, bed. Okay, room, R-O-O-M. Yes, so bedroom, bed, room, R-O-O-M. So when we pronounce the word, it has bedroom, bedroom. Okay? Yes, all of you please do write it. Now let's move on to the next word. Okay, what is this word, is children? I hope you have finished with the previous word. Now let's move on to the next word. What is this word is?
Wednesday.
When the word has to be pronounced as a whole, children, it is Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday. But when we learn it, when we syllabicate and when we learn the spelling, don't forget to write the T there, D there. So there are three vowels in it. So there are three syllables, is a three-syllabic word. So how to learn its pronunciation? So all of you please do listen. It is Wednesday. Clear? It is Wednesday. Okay. So now all of you please do write the word. Oh, yes. All of you please do write it. Start writing. Wed. Ness. Day. D-A-Y. All of you write it once more. Day. So when we pronounce it as a whole, it is Wednesday. Want to know the spelling of the word? So all of you please do listen. We can recognize the seer. 1 minute, my dear children.
Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday.
Got the word. Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday. So the D, the letter D is not stressed, is Wednesday. 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 So, but when you write the spelling, don't forget to write the letter. So you syllabicate it, that is Wednesday. But when we learn the spelling, the pronunciation of the word is Wednesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Okay, got it? So in this today's session, we have learnt about 8 words. Haven't we learned the 8 words, children? Yes? Yes? Yes. Which are those words we learnt it in today's session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, I'm going to ask you. I'm going to ask you. Wait, I'm going to let me mute you all. Okay, Malavika, come on, tell me. We have learnt any word that we have learnt in today's session. Learn it.
River.
River, very good. Yes, one by one, one by one. One will do. Okay, river. Krishna Raj, come on. Yes, next word, what we have learnt. Yes, river is over. Yes, no. Hospital, very good. So, say it with the correct pronunciation. Hospital, very good, Krishnaraj. Prithvi? Prithvi?
Village.
Village, very good, very good. Very good, Prithvi. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Aradhya? Aradhya, any other word? Which? Yes, Aradhya? Which we learnt in today's session. We have learnt about 8 words.
River.
Yes, river is over, hospital is over, village is over. Other than that, what we have learnt? Any other words? Come on, say it out.
Library.
Yes, how do you pronounce the word? Say it once more. Library. Okay, library. Okay, come on, say it once more. Let me hear you.
Library.
Yes, library. Very good. Okay, Diya came up. Come on, Diya. Any other words? 4 more words we have learnt. Which are those words? Any word you can tell me.
Kitchen.
Diya? Kitchen. Very good. It is kitchen. Very good, Diya. Nainiga. Nainiga, unmute it.
Wednesday.
Very good. It's Wednesday. Very good. Rose and Francis. Other than 2 words are there. 2 more words. Which are those words? Rose and Francis?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, say.
Bedroom.
Yes, bedroom. Very good. Bedroom. Very good. Andrea? Andrea? Yes, daughter. Very good. Fantastic. Daughter. Very good. Okay. So in today's session, children, we have learnt about 8 words. So I wanted all of you to write those words as you sound out each through its syllable and you write it once again in your off book. Okay. So it's time for us to wind up today's session, children. Bye-bye, all of you. Thank you all. Bye, children.